There's free gift plus coupon on Zepto. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, these were some of the grocery we have purchased on Zepto. As you all know, you have got bunch of offers right now. A free delivery is given for orders above 99. Coming to free gift, it is automatically added to the cart. A free coupon is given at checkout which you can apply. Plus, after placing the order, you can get a free gift in the form of coupon, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see here, this is a Sting energy drink. If you want, you can buy this and get cashback of ₹40 on Google Pay by scanning the QR code as you see in the picture. Now let's go and see the free gift that Zepto has given. As you see in the picture, I've got this Chacos, a mini bag. It's a multi-grain breakfast meal, as you see in the picture. I've got some candies also, as you see in the picture. This is Vicks, you all know. It's for cough and cold, as you see in the picture. It comes in 3 flavors. I've got here 2 flavors right now. I'm showing one. Okay, let's go and see how to place order on Zepto and apply coupon at checkout and avail free gift after placing the order, as you see in the picture. Go to Zepto app, scroll down. Here you have got save 15 coupon which you can apply at the checkout. If you want this coupon, you have to click on that banner and add to the cart the products from here. Flash sale also is available daily at 80% off. You can add these products also to the cart, and after adding all the products to the cart, you can click on view cart. Once you click on view cart, now click on view coupons and offers. Once you click on that, you can apply ZEP free, ZEP FREE. You'll be getting 50 rupees cashback after placing your order, and you can use Zepto cash as well. As you see in the picture, a free gift is added to the cart. And if any of you want Zepto pass, you can add by clicking on add button for more offers and benefits. As you see in the picture, you can click on pay. Cash option and online option also is available. You can choose either of the two and place your order. And after placing the order, while the order is due for delivery, as you see in the picture, you can click on gift icon. Once you click on that, this kind of page appears before you. A free coupon is given. Here I've got 500 rupees free coupon on Shiva jewelry. You can click on claim your offer and add to the cart the products you want and apply the coupon at checkout. And if you're interested in placing the order more, you'll be given a free gift which you got to apply at the checkout and get a free gift on Shiva jewelry. That's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.